If you're looking for a fast, affordable path to South American residency, Argentina deserves your attention. Argentina's Residency by Investment program allows foreign nationals to obtain legal residency by making a qualifying investment in the Argentine economy. The minimum investment is approximately 150,000 US dollars in a productive business, commercial activity, or financial assets, making it one of the most accessible investor residency routes in Latin America. Once approved, you receive temporary residency, which can be converted to permanent residency after 2 years. And with Argentina's new citizenship pathway introduced in 2025, investors can now accelerate their route to an Argentine passport, one of the most respected in South America, offering visa-free or visa-on-arrival access to over 170 countries. Key benefits include the ability to include your spouse and dependent children in your application, no minimum stay requirements for residency maintenance, and access to Argentina's growing economy, one of the largest in Latin America. Argentina also offers a favorable tax environment for new residents, with foreign-sourced income exempt from Argentine tax for the first 5 years of residency. The application process typically takes 3 to 6 months, and Frederick Capital manages the entire process for you, from investment structuring to document preparation and government submission. At Frederick Capital, we manage the entire residency by investment process for you. Book your free consultation today at frederick-capital.com.